Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Allow me to provide you with the step-by-step procedure of how to create Spotify radio station based on a favorite song or artist. Begin by launching the Spotify app on your mobile device. Once you're inside the app, you'll find various navigation options at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the search icon, which is usually represented by a magnifying glass. The search page will now open, presenting you with a search bar at the top. Now it's time to search for the song or artist that you want to use as the foundation for your personalized radio station. Type the name of the song or artist into the search bar, and as you type, Spotify will start suggesting matches. Tap on the correct suggestion to proceed. Upon selecting the song or artist, you will be redirected to their profile page. Here, you'll find a wealth of information about the selected track or artist, including popular albums, top tracks, and related artists. Look for the small icon with 3 dots, ellipsis. Tap on this icon to open a menu of options related to the song or artist you selected. In this menu, search for an option such as Go to Artist Radio or Go to Song Radio and tap on it. Congratulations! Your personalized radio station, based on the selected song or artist, is now playing. Spotify will automatically curate a playlist of similar songs and artists tailored to your preferences. This station will evolve and adapt based on your listening behavior. If you're loving your newly created radio station and wish to access it quickly in the future, you can save it to your library. To do this, return to the Now Playing screen, and tap on the like button, which is usually represented by a heart icon. Once the button turns green, you've successfully saved the radio station to your library. To find the saved station later, go to the Your Library tab of the Spotify app where you see your saved radio station or playlists. Let's discuss the desktop version of Spotify. To begin, open the Spotify app on your computer. Upon launching the app, you'll find various navigation options on the screen. Look for the search icon, which is located on the right sidebar, and click on it. A search page will appear, featuring a search bar at the top. Use the search bar to find the song or artist you want to use as the basis for your station. Once you've found the desired song or artist, right-click on it to open a context menu. In the context menu, you should see an option called Go to Song Radio, if you right-clicked on a song, or Go to Artist Radio, if you right-clicked on an artist. Click on this option to start a radio station based on the selected song or artist. As of my knowledge cutoff, Spotify's desktop app doesn't provide a direct option to edit the track list of a radio station like you can on the mobile app. The radio station will automatically play a mix of songs similar to the selected song or artist. If you enjoy the station and want to access it easily in the future, you can save it. To do this, locate the like button, usually represented by a heart icon, located near the station name, and click on it. When the button turns green, it means the song or artist is added to your library. To find the radio station in the future, you will see a Your Library section on the left-hand sidebar of the screen. Under the Your Library section, you'll find your saved radio stations or playlists. Simply click on your desired radio station to open the station page. Next, click on the Music Play button, which looks like a triangle within a green circle, to start playing the radio station. That's it. Congratulations! Enjoy the seamless radio station listening to your taste. Thanks again for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and leave your comments below.